A couple stood at the paint wall, really excited for a shopping trip to Lowe's, I thought. She explained that they were hypothetically building their dream house. Something about them felt different. For starters, I noticed they weren't wearing wedding rings. But more than that, their energy was contagious. We went to the home decor section and looked at how their color choice matched against rugs, tables, and wall accessories. I explained that it's all about finding balance in a room, kind of like a relationship. Just like that, we had dreamt up their future. A year later, I was preparing to leave Lowe's to start student teaching. It was a quiet Sunday, and a couple was walking toward me. I can't fully remember them until she brings out the notebook. Oh my gosh, the future dream home couple. The house is real. It was nostalgic during my last month at the store. I'm so glad that they came back, got all the items we explored before, and that I got to see the next step in the dream house becoming a real home. It was the epitome of home is where the heart is.